Thanks for joining us today for another episode of SQL Chefs.
Another great episode.
Another great episode of SQL Chefs. I hope it's great.
Well, we'll find out.
The food you've prepared looks amazing.
Yeah,
What are we going to be learning about today,
Well,
Eugene?
so one of the things that was confusing when I was learning about Power BI is the difference between data sets, data reports and dashboards. And so I thought that we could do some food prep to get a better understanding of like the distinction between each and every one of those.
Okay, cool.
So when you're dealing with a data set in Power BI, it's going to be a specific flavor, right? So it might be financial reporting, it might be operational reporting, HR, something like that, right? And so that specific flavor is going to be tied to a specific type of cookie, right? So here we have chocolate chip cookies. Now the thing is though, you really don't want to give your users raw data. Right, they're gonna get salmonella. They're gonna get sick. They say they want it. I know it's delicious. It's really good.
It's so good. I want the raw data.
Scoop it up. I know, but it's really not for the best. What you want to do is you want to prepare that data in the form of visualizations. So you can see here. Here's a report. I have my Canvas sheet, right? And each one of these is a visualization. And so we have two different types of data, two different reports. Now the question that's going to come up is, well, how do I combine this together? Because you don't, if you're a manager, you don't want just chocolate chip, right? If you just work in that area, it's fine. But if you're a manager, you want chocolate chip, you want sugar cookies, you want maybe some chocolate cookies, all of it. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a dashboard. So with a dashboard, what you do is you pin your visualizations. So you go and just pick them up, just put them.
I like where this is going.
Yeah, just put them over here. So we've got Power BI branding, right there.
Nice. What a
And then what do we need? We got, the map. So I'm a big fan of the map visualization.
We're pinning all these to our dashboard.
Correct.
Okay.
Yep. So now we need just maybe a little bit, maybe a small table to kind of finish things up.
Hey, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, I know. So that's our completed dashboard, and then you can kind of consume this information and then go to the more specific reports when you need more detailed kind of information. So that's our completed dashboard.
Wow, that's really great. I mean, thanks for explaining that.
Yeah.
I just, if you don't mind, I mean, these look great.
Yeah, I'm excited to eat them.
But I think they're missing like a little something special, like an extra special ingredient.
I'm not sure.
Like a special ingredient, extra thing to give it a little bit more oomph. No, you didn't bring anything?
I made
it's
these.
Okay, it's okay. I brought with me. I have a baggie of.
Listen, we're in Pennsylvania. I don't know, like we have laws here. Like,
no, it's just.
Oh, you want to have some like theming and branding? Yeah, they do need a little bit of color. Yeah, that's great.
A little like that. There you go.
Okay, yeah. Now let's kick it up a notch.
Are we allowed to consume these? Then?
Yeah.
All right. Grabbing one.
And that's.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.